All right, it's game time. Another adventure. Well, Heavy D said, hey, let's see if the Brodozer can float in the lake.
Here goes nothing.
Moment of truth right here.
Really hope she floats.
Hot summer day. As soon as the heat hits here in Utah, we're looking for any excuse to get to the lake. And so when Dave says, let's float the Brodozer, I said, let's do it.
Boys and girls, you are in for a treat today. We're about to take that Brodozer into that lake. You see, there's a theory that trucks with big enough tires can actually float. So here we have the fat truck, which has big tires and it's amphibious. It's basically built like a boat hull. No water can come in. Now, the Brodozer obviously is not sealed up. It's got an open frame underneath, but we've got these big 66-inch BKT Monster Jam tires that, in theory, should keep us afloat. So we're really hoping that we have enough flotation with these big old tires right here to be able to make this happen. So, without further ado, let's go float.
So this is game plan. Take the big BKT Monster Jam truck tires off the school bus, put them on the Brodozer. Trailer the Brodozer to the lake, drive in, float, jump off the top, swim, stay cool, look cool, be cool. There is the chance that it doesn't float and it sinks to the bottom. But I'm not even gonna think about that. Let's not entertain that idea. It's gonna float, it's gonna be awesome, you're gonna love it. Ready, set, swap tire! Okay, the Monster Jam guys are pretty fast at this. We might not be as fast. This is our chance. We're gonna try and get the record, okay? Start the timer.
Well, I'm already hot and tired, dude, so I'm just gonna take it easy.
That means you're gonna wanna go fast so you don't burn yourself out. Ready? No. Set, go! Go, Alan, go, 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 go!
You want me to go?
Ready,
You ready for me to go?
Go, pull
you
it
want
down.
me to go now?
That is some wrist power right there. Watch, he's holding it from the very end.
It is.
There's a lot of torque on those bad boys. Maybe you can join us. Don't you think that'd be nice?
I'm just worried about the Brodozer's safety. I love the Brodozer.
So do we.
I don't want to see it like flipped over in the water.
Oh, time. 4 minutes, 5 seconds. That was it?
That was pretty quick. That wasn't going quick.
Here we go, ready?
Let me restart the timer.
Come on, James.
Down there.
Why are you cheating and holding the side handle?
Because I'm a weak.
Still in the way, don't kill. Alright.
2 minutes, 6 seconds.
I'm not beating that.
I feel like you lost a lot of time on your nuts.
Thanks. Stay. Stay.
Sweet, it's like some WD-40 to spray on these threads. Makes it all slippery. A little bit, right there. It's good.
Ooh, lift with the back. There you go. Ooh, nice. Oh, yeah. There it is.
Man, those are not light.
How much do those weigh?
Honestly, they feel like they weigh more than those, but they don't.
Can you lift
You're
him?
probably
Can you
200.
lift it off the ground?
He did.
Yeah.
Oh, you did.
Oh, yeah, I can put it on my back. I could probably run a mile with it on my back if I
I mean,
needed
that
to.
thing is.
You lift it up over your head?
Twice. No one was looking, though.
No, don't do that. You're messing me up.
All right, Diesel, where are we at here?
All right, so bus is done, as you can see. No leg day bus is here. I always love it when it's on rollers. Now, no, we can use the forklift. We'll just do forklift and lift the axles. Now it's time to take the tires off the Brodozer and put the Monster Jam tires on, which have never been on the Brodozer before, so cross your fingers that it fits. I want everybody right now in the comments, please, put the cross fingers on.
Check, they don't fit. Oh, they don't fit at all.
Somebody's gonna tell
that
me
hurts.
Well, we have a big
I
problem
think
to
we have
begin
to send that
with.
guy home. What's happening?
Beep, beep. Turn. Oh, big old spider web in there.
Can I get in it? You push me?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
You'd probably be very dirty. Yeah.
Next one. I want to come in a little more.
Use the bar on this side. By we, they had to use the bar on that side.
I can press that? You just have to use the bar on the other side. Hey, I had to sit and watch this. Oh, this please. Push, stand, push, stand, push, stand.
Good right there.
Yeah. Stand, stand.
I used the bar. I didn't want to lift.
Amazing. Okay. Moment of truth. Up. Up and in. Down just a little bit, Chris.
We're a ways from it. We got to get a little closer.
Well, you should be able to hang it on the top stud. You should be able to rotate this actually.
Now go up a little. Up a little more.
All the way up.
All the way up. Up more. Go up. Yep.
Keep going.
Hold it. Let me get a nut on that one.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Nice work, Al. Okay, go up a little bit more.
Where's our deputy?
All right, right there, stop. Good job. Throw one on so you don't die. That tire's hot. The tire's so hot. Ooh, that tire's on fire.
Get underneath.
Ooh, back up. Back down. Head there. Nut. Oh, they're so hot. We get it. Holy smokes, we're getting good. We should have been running a timer on this one. Up, Chris. Hey, this is going to be probably the coolest thing ever.
Oh, wait. No, be very careful. You're going to have to hold it.
I was talking to the camera.
You hold it in the middle and be careful that your hand doesn't get between them. You have to hold it, push up really hard. Ready?
Yep. Good. Yep. Good.
I think sink.
All he needs to know is that max out he'll hit.
I think it'll float. I think it'll float for sure.
It's just science, right?
Yeah, I think we'll be able to wakeboard behind it too. Yeah.
At least it did.
It's not much. If it was just shaved a little bit and that
Float.
bar removed on the
100%
back.
float.
You already
You ain't have to add, yeah, oh yeah.
Alan, float or sink tomorrow?
Well, I think there's enough buoyancy in there to float. It just depends on which direction it's going to float. You're going to float on its... It might flip over, I don't know. There's definitely enough buoyancy
Because it's not wide enough?
There's enough buoyancy to float, though. Easy.
It's definitely gonna float.
What do you think, Alex? Is it going to float or sink?
It's gonna float, man. Just look at the tires.
John, what do you think? Float or sink?
It's floating. For sure. For sure.
You got that.
That's just. Nah, that's not bad.
Turn it all the way left, there you go.
Go up!
Whoa, we're gonna get lucky. We're gonna get lucky.
Wow!
There we go. I turned a little bit.
Get me close, come on down.
Oh, I think that might have...
Right in the middle. Right, wait a little bit.
I first want to know...
Why I'm so sweaty?
No.
so dirty?
I first want to know what happened to those things down there.
The legs? The boots?
No, the bootstraps.
So-
the old bootstraps.
I don't know if any of you have ever gone through a break-in process in a boot. When you get brand new boots, it's hard to get your feet in. And I feel like I must have ordered a size, half size smaller or something, because I could not, for the life of me, get my feet in the boots. But I didn't have any other boots. I was gonna walk around in tennis shoes. What am I gonna do? Be a tennis shoe guy? Mr. Diesel Dave in tennis shoes and jorts?
Nice.
Anyway, so I'm yanking hard. Pop the straps off. That's when you know maybe you should order a size up instead of trying to put your fat foot in a small size boot. But you live and you learn. And as you see, I had to learn twice. It's kind of a new style. I think I'm going to bring it in as a new trend.
It's nothing a carabiner can't fix.
Yeah, nothing. I'll get my needle and thread out. But then I wore a white shirt on Monster Jam Truck Tire Day, which I think is also a huge learning curve for me. Anytime I wear white, it comes home black. And on a positive note, check it out. Ye old Brodozer, the OG on the BKT Monster Jam truck tire. 66 inches of pure mayhem underneath the Brodozer. Now they hold a lot of air. Here's the question. The goal is to take it to a lake and have it float? Do you A, think that it will float? B, think that we'll be able to float in the heavy rescue boat as we go rescue the Brodozer from the bottom of the lake? Comments below. Quickly now, because we're about to head to the lake. See ya. You know the Brodozer, right?
Yeah.
You like it? You know monster truck tires?
Sometimes you respond.
Do you think that if we drive the Brodozer into a lake with the monster truck tires that it will float or sink?
Sink.
You think it's gonna sink? Let's ask your dad. What about your dad? What do you think, Ron?
I think it'll float a little bit.
Okay, so we got 1-1.
I think it'll float just enough to be sketchy.
Should we have Hans be the final vote, or should we let Brian be the final? Let's let Brian be the final
Brian be the
vote.
final. He's more
All right.
realistic.
A, floats perfect. We have a great day at the lake.
Nope.
B, we float in the heavy rescue boat to go pick up the Brodozer from the bottom of the lake.
Is there a C option where
C, you
C
probably
is-
stay home and enjoy some family time?
C is where everybody in the cab is like sitting with their feet up like this, trying not to get soaked.
Oh yeah. But so it's still floating,
It's floating, but not enough to where
but the engine's taking on water, so it's locked up, and
everything's
now we're
taking
just
off,
floating.
Taking on, yeah. But it'll be around.
That is a good point. Technically, that's floating.
Forward because he's trying to get four shots.
Oh wait, Brian, float or sink? Sink. Thumbs up. Who thumbs up a sink? Thumbs up a sink.
Yeah.
Only the recovery guy is going to thumbs up a sinking car. Oh yeah.